or playing water games. The soothing water provides while swimming itself, full body workout, pools to luxurious resort relaxation and recreation.
So napakaganda ginawa ni CapCut connecting ChatGPT. So hello mga boss, welcome back dito sa ating video. Another day, another tutorial. So ngayon tuturo natin kung paano ba natin makonect ang CapCut sa ChatGPT. Napakatindi na tutorial natin ngayon guys. So all we have to do here, as always, no, pumunta tayo ngayon dito ngayon sa Explore GPTs. Okay, dyan sa Explore GPTs, all we have to do is type natin dito yung CapCut. Okay, CapCut lang. Tapos wait for it to load. Tapos ito na yun siya guys, CapCut Video GPT. So pwede na nating ilagay dyan. And of course, meron dyang nakalagay na kailangan din siya i-connect. So all we have to do is we're going to click Start Chat. Nandito na. So dito na nakalagay guys. Okay, CapCut Video GPT, generate video about Olympic Games, example 16:9, make a poster celebrating the New Year, make a YouTube video on the topic specialty coffee, recommend some TikTok video. So pwede tayo makapag-generate ng mga prompt ideas dito guys. So all we have to do is we're going now to ask something. Punta tayo dito, tapos ilagay natin dito, make a, so let's say for example 90 seconds na reels about swimming pool. Itay natin swimming pool. Okay, itay natin na this is really useful sa inyo guys if gusto nyo mag-create ng YouTube channel or TikTok or reels or whatever you want to do. Okay, so click na natin yung enter. Tingnan natin ano bang i-generate niya na prompts. Okay, yan, CapCut. Nakalagay dito CapCut Video, CapCut Video GPT wants to talk to CapCut.com. Always allow natin yan. Okay, allow, click natin allow, and then yan na, mag-generate niya siya ng prompts. So ito yan siya, video, the AI result. You may need to wait for about 1 minute for the video to load up. When clicking the link, let me know if you want to modify the script or aspect ratio. Pwede pa natin ma-edit yung aspect ratio niya at saka yung script natin. So all we have to do is go here na lang, view AI, click na yan. So it will open up into a new tab. So nag-loading ng video. By the way, naka-pro ako sa ChatGPT. I'm paying 1,000 pesos per month, nasa mga $20. And naka-pro din ako sa CapCut. Okay? Tingnan natin kung anong results niya i-generate dito guys. So yun na nga guys, no, after this, no, after ma-generate yung video, kailangan ko daw mag-continue using sa Gmail or saan yung account nyo. In this case na, since I'm using Gmail, I'm going to connect my Gmail here. Okay, click ko lang yan siya, and then it will open up yung pop-up niya kung anong account ang gagamitin ko. Okay, so ito yung pop-up mga account nyo. So all we have to is click mo lang yung saan naka-register yung account mo, and then click continue. Alright, dito naman, so ito na yung na-generate niya na video guys. So as you can see here, may nakalagay dito sa baba, may script na nakalagay dito, may script at saka may video. So i-play natin kung ano bang nakalagay dito, ano bang na-generate niya for 27 seconds. Sabi ko, diba, sabi ko 60 seconds, pero na-generate lang niya is 27 seconds. But let's try to see it, ano bang nakalagay dito. Let's go.
A swimming pool is a great place to relax.
So ito ko na-realize nung wala palang video nakalagay dito. So paano ba natin siya lagyan ng video? Tingnan natin ha, walang video nakalagay dyan. Okay, so ito nga guys, nakita ko dito wala siyang laman na video. So all we have to do is go here na lang dito sa pixels.com. Okay, dito kasi ko usually kumukuha ng mga free videos. Let's say for example, type natin dito swimming pool. Lahat na makita natin ng mga swimming pool na mga video, kailangan natin i-download. For example, ito, i-download ko lang to, download ko lang yan siya. Okay, so lahat ng mga video swimming pool, i-download ko lang dito lahat na makita ko. Siguro mga 5 videos dyan. Napakadali lang kasi na mag-download din mga videos din. Hindi siya ganun kahirap naman din. Okay, load na yung mga videos and everything. So last video, I think, make sure na parang ano siya, presentable tingnan. Wala, hindi problema kahit na naka-landscape yan siya kasi we can edit this one sa CapCut. And then after that, we're going to go here sa kung saan nag-download yung mga videos except for this, no? Ito yung mga video, for example yan. So we're just gonna drag it over here, like para i-upload natin. And drag this one over here and drag this one over here. So may tatlo na. Okay, so may tatlo na. Let's try dito. Okay, it's still uploading. For dito, we're gonna add videos. Yan. Drag natin. Parang nag-edit ka lang sa CapCut. And then dito, drag natin yan for that. Something like that. Yan. So, pag i-play natin yan.
Relax, exercise, and have fun.
So, dahil ilagay sa baba. Okay. Then, let's say for example, add naman natin to. I-cut natin yan dyan. Actually, mas madali mag-edit ng video dito kaysa dun sa CapCut mismo. Yan. So, edit ko lang yung video guys, then balikan ko kayo. Mga boss, natapos ko na lagyan ng mga video clips lahat. Okay, so dito, tingnan natin ano bang nakalagay dito. So, let's play muna.
A swimming pool is a great place to relax, exercise, and have fun. Stay by the pool, practicing your strokes. Playing water games with a suit provides a refreshing while swimming in backyard pools to luxurious experience for relaxation.
So, napakaganda ginawa ni CapCut connecting ChatGPT. So, simple lang. So, all we have to do right now, try muna natin export muna to, CapCut 1. Okay, download ko muna to para, so may quality, may 3720, TikTok Ads Manager, recommended for TikTok. Okay, 1080, let's say for example, image quality. Okay, export muna natin yan. Okay, saving, napaka simple, napakadali lang mag-save, exporting. Okay, so ngayon, nakita natin dito na download ko na yung video. So ngayon, I want to change the text kasi para yung text niya, napaka-basic lang. So gusto ko siya lagyan ng effect. So in order for us to do that, kailangan natin, all you have to do is go here. Dito sa amin nakalagay na, for example, here sa text niya. Click natin yung text. Pag-click natin yung text niya, may nakalagay dito. Pwede ka pumunta dito sa basic. Pwede you can change the font or you can go to preset. Ang preset ito, may nakalagay na mga, like for example, yan mga text niya. Tapos yung preview yan nakalagay dyan, yan. So, pwede siya ma-change. And then, ito yung nagustuhan ko. The same with the mobile. Meron siyang templates na ganito. So, napakagaling, napakatindali. So, for example, yan.
Offers and listen, Joe.
Let me go back here. Dito sa side na to. Yan. So, ito yung parang
or playing niya. Water games with friends. A pool offers and listen, Joe.
Sit muna natin, Diyan. Tapos, dyan. Tapos sa presets, templates. Gamit tayo ng mga templates. So, for example, ito. Yan.
Pool is a great place.
Or ito.
To relax, exercise. A swimming pool is a great place to relax.
Okay, so yan ang gamitin ko and then okay na ako dyan. So yeah, once you're happy with this guys, you can just basically download again. Pwede ka ma-export mo yun siya and then you're good to go. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you sa mga next video natin. God bless.